Hello everybody and welcome back to Mango series on the French alphabet. Comment allez-vous? If you don't understand, don't worry, we've got you covered. Hit the link in the description or here and check out the first lesson of our French course. You'll find everything you need to start speaking French right here. Today we'll look in depth at the letter A, E, I, O, U and H. So let's just dive in and take a look at comment allez-vous. And here we'll talk about the letter A and O. In French, the letter A makes the same sound, A. Just keep your mouth wide open and put your tongue on your bottom teeth, A. And you'll find this sound in words like animal, ananas, madame, avoir, aller. For a nice O sound, round your lips and lower your tongue a tiny bit, O. And you'll find this sound in words like désolé, numéro, à bientôt. Here we can talk about the letter E, I, and U. To make a nice U, round your lips and put your tongue on your lower teeth, U. And here are a few words to practice. Sud, nourriture, numéro. The sound made by the letter E, is very close to the sound U. You just need to lower your tongue a tiny bit. You can practice saying U, O, and feel your tongue moving down each time. Ce, de, au revoir, à l'heure, all of these words have the sound E. And finally, my favorite sound, the vowel I. It is exactly like the sound E, but you're smiling instead of having rounded lips. I. Ici, dimanche, j'habite, il are all words that have the sound I. Hit the link in the description to learn all of these words and start using them into organic conversations. Everything you need is right at the beginning in our first unit. And the last letter we haven't covered yet is the letter H. And it's because the letter H on its own doesn't make any sound. For example, habit, hibou, horloge, hiver. In all of these words, the letter H is silent. And that's why French people have so much trouble with the English H. Why can't I say happiness? So today we've covered the sound made by the letter A, E, I, O, U, and the letter H. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, et à bientôt.